Welcome, this is your teacher David Garcia, and today we will be working with hyperbola properties, and the main objective will be to write the standard form of the equation of the hyperbola that meets the following criteria. In this case, the information we are given is the vertices. We have vertex 1 and vertex 2, and we have the perimeter of the central rectangle. In this case, the central rectangle has a perimeter of 84 units. So in order to have a better view of what we're dealing here with, let's draw a little rectangle. There we go. And let's begin our analysis. As always, the first thing that we have to do is to determine if we're dealing with a horizontal or vertical hyperbola. In this case, there we go. If we see the vertices are changing on the vertical coordinate, therefore we have a vertical hyperbola. So let's set it up. There we go. Very good. So our vertical hyperbola will have the horizontal term negative and the vertical term positive. Now we can start gathering the information. We know that h will be 5 from the vertices, and k will be the midpoint between 23 and -3. So we add them, we will have 20, and 20 divided by 2 will be 10. Now, from here we can get our distance b. B will be the distance from the center, from K, to either -3 or 23. In either direction, B is 13. So if we start doing some graphical analysis, this is the rectangle we have. Okay, we don't know its real dimensions, but what we do know is that we have one vertex here and the other one down here. We know the center is around here, and we don't know the position of the covertices. So as we don't know, we cannot have A, but we have the distance B. We know that B goes from the center, B goes from the center to either of the vertices. So in this case, give me 1 second, there we go. Twice B will be the length of the transversal axis. So twice B will be in this case 26, and that is the length of this axis here. Now, better. The length of this axis is also the length of the height of this rectangle. So the perimeter formula of our rectangle goes like this. The perimeter is twice the width plus twice the length or the height. So if we call the width this distance here, then we know that this will be twice A, since A will be the distance that goes from the center to either of the covertices. There we go. So by doing a little substitution, we will see that we have everything ready. So the perimeter, we already know that it is 84 units. So twice the width, which is 2A, plus twice the length, which we have already calculated, that it is over here, 26. So if you see now, it's just a matter of isolating A, and we will have all the information ready. So 84 will be equal to 2 times 2 is 4, So we have for A, and this will be 52. So 52 will go onto the other side, subtracting. So 84 minus 52 will be 32. This will equal 4A. So if we isolate A, we will have 32 divided by 4. A equals 8. And now we have all the information ready to write our formula. So it will be negative x minus 5 squared divided by 64, which is a squared, plus y minus 10 squared divided by 13 squared, which is 169, and this equals 1. And that's it. That's how you get the standard form of the equation of the hyperbola when vertices and the perimeter are given. Thank you very much, and I will see you in our next video.